Dear students, today let us discuss about rectifier. Rectifier is an important application of diode. It is defined as an electronic device used to convert AC voltage or current into unidirectional voltage or current. That means AC to DC conversion is here. This is the main block diagram of rectifier. Mainly it has four parts in here. First one is the transformer, second one is rectifier and filter and voltage regulator. The transformer is used to increase or decrease the voltage of an alternating current. Then the output of the transformer is given to the diode rectifier for rectification. That means the conversion of AC to DC. So then the output of the rectifier is in this form. So we assume that this rectifier is a full wave rectifier. So the output of the rectifier is given to filter for convert the pulsating input to nearly constant DC output. This is in this form. This is the pulsating DC signal. So this output is again given to the voltage regulator for reduce the ripple of the DC voltage. Then finally we get DC signal. Actually the rectifier is mainly classified as half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. The full wave rectifier is again classified as center tapped rectifier and bridge rectifier. This classification is based on the construction of the rectifier and the number of diodes used in the circuits. Okay, this is the half wave rectifier and this is the basic diagram of rectifier. Here, this is the input signal and this is the diode and this is the load resistance and this is represented as output. Yes, during the positive half cycle of the source, that is, this is the positive half cycle. So in this case the diode is in forward biased and it acts as a closed switch. So in this case this will make the output voltage keep as the shape of the input voltage. That means this is the input. Positive half cycle, the input is given as the output of the circuit. When the input voltage Vin become negative half cycle, that is, this is the negative half cycle of the Vin. And at this case, the diode is act as in reverse bias and will not provide any conduction through this diode. So this output of this circuit is IL is 0. And only during positive half cycle, the half wave rectifier is provide the output voltage. During the negative half cycle, we will get no output from this circuit. So moving to the full wave rectifier. Full wave rectifier is two type, center tapped and bridge rectifier. Here explained about the bridge rectifier, which converts an AC voltage to DC voltage using both the half cycles of the input AC voltage. Here mainly the full wave rectifier is rectified output we get from both positive and negative half cycles. This is the complete system of the bridge rectifier. Here this circuit has 4 diodes connected to the form of bridges, that is D1, D2, D3 and D4. The AC input voltage is applied to diagonally opposite end of the bridge, that is, this is the input signal. This is connected as in diagonally opposite directions, that is, this is the input and output is provided from this another opposite sides. So the load resistance is also connected between other two ends, that is, this is the load resistance from this circuit. Here for the positive half cycle of the input AC voltage, the diode D1 and D2 is conduct. During positive half cycle, the diode D1 and D2 is conduct, whereas